Hi, I'm Charles, here with Team Alyvix. Today, let's look quickly at how to install Alyvix on your Windows machine and check that everything is working correctly. The steps are also in the online user guide, but I know that some of you prefer watching videos. The first step is to check that your system meets all the requirements. You should have a single virtual or physical machine dedicated exclusively to running Alyvix test cases, with at least 2 CPUs and 4 GB of RAM. The screen color depth should be 24-bit RGB or 32-bit RGBA. The operating system needs to be 64-bit, such as Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise, or Windows Server 2016, 2019, or 2022. You can't use a 32-bit version of Windows. Finally, you'll need an account with System Administrator privileges. So let's get started. Download version 3.9.7 of the 64-bit Python environment at this link. 32-bit versions of Python will not work with Alyvix. Downloading may take a few minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection. While you're waiting, why don't you hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on everything about Alyvix. Once it's downloaded, let's start the install. Right-click on the executable and select Run as Administrator. On this panel, check the box that says Add Python 3.9 to Path. Then choose the Customize Installation action. On the next panel, all of the options should already be checked, so just click Next to go on. On the third panel, make sure these 4 options are checked, and then select the path for the Python directory. We recommend you create a Python 39 directory in the root of the C drive. For the rest, we'll need to use the command shell. Go to the Start menu, then select Windows System, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Now, if you type Python -- version into the prompt, it should type back 3.9.7. At this point, you can just type in pip install Alyvix, and when it's done, the install will be complete. If you have to use a proxy, use this command format instead. If you want to check that the install was successful, you can type in pip show Alyvix or launch Alyvix by typing in Alyvix_editor. That's it, you're done. We're happy that we here at Alyvix can make this so easy for you. In the online user guide, you can also find information about upgrading to the next version of Alyvix, installing when you're offline, and also uninstalling.